Hello everyone. Welcome back to Health Options 101, your go-to channel for health, wellness, and longevity. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest health trends out there, intermittent fasting, and how it could actually help you live longer. Sounds intriguing, right? So, what exactly is intermittent fasting? It's not just another diet. It's an eating pattern where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. The most popular methods: the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window, or the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories for 2. But here's where it gets really interesting. Research shows that intermittent fasting can extend your lifespan. Let's talk about the science behind it. First up, cellular repair. When you fast, your body doesn't just shut down. In fact, it switches gears. Your cells go into a process called autophagy, which is basically your body's natural cleanup mode. It gets rid of damaged cells, recycles them, and clears out toxins. This process helps prevent aging and even diseases like cancer. It's like giving your body a fresh start. Next is insulin sensitivity and fat loss. During fasting, your insulin levels drop. This allows your body to burn stored fat for energy. Not only can this help you lose weight, but it also reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes, a major factor in aging. Less insulin, more fat burning. Sounds like a win-win, right? Third is that fasting reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation speeds up aging and contributes to a wide range of health issues like heart disease and Alzheimer's. Studies show that intermittent fasting can lower inflammatory markers in the body, keeping your heart and brain healthier for longer. Now, you're probably wondering, how does this all link to longevity? Well, fasting doesn't just target one aspect of your health. It's like a multi-tool, helping with fat loss, reducing inflammation, improving heart health, and even boosting brain function. It taps into ancient biological systems that can help us live longer, healthier lives. But here's the best part. You don't need to fast every day to see the benefits. Even practicing intermittent fasting for a few days or a week can have a positive impact on your overall health. This is how you start. Try the 16/8 method. Skip breakfast, eat lunch and dinner, then fast until the next day. Just be sure to fuel your body with nutritious, whole foods during your eating window. And always remember, stay hydrated. Water, black coffee, and tea are your best friends during the fasting window. And that's the science of intermittent fasting, helping you live longer and healthier. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Health Options 101 for more health tips. Are you trying fasting? Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, longer life.